Have you ever felt like you're stuck in life? Like every day is the same? Wake up, check phone, eat, go to work or school, come home, watch something, sleep, repeat. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. And it doesn't mean you're lazy or untalented. It simply means your brain is asleep, not physically, but mentally. It's stuck in routine, in autopilot mode. And here is the truth. Your brain was not made to repeat. It was made to create. But when we stop learning, when we stop challenging ourselves, our brain slowly shuts down the parts that grow us. What if I told you? You already have a genius brain? Not someday, not in the future. Right now, yes, you. You don't need to be born with special talent. You don't need a rich background. All you need is the right mindset and the right training. Your brain is your greatest weapon. Use it well. Before we go deep, subscribe to HopeInLines right now if you're ready to unlock your real potential. We don't do fake hype. We give you real motivation that works. Now let's start changing your life. Let me ask you something. Does your day look like this? Wake up, check your phone, rush through your day. Watch random videos. Go to sleep. Then repeat again tomorrow? If yes, that's not life. That's survival. That's your brain running on autopilot. It's sleeping, not physically, but mentally. You were born with a powerful mind that can create, imagine, lead, and build. But if you stop challenging it, stop feeding it, it slowly shuts down. The mind is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Here's a simple example. Try brushing your teeth with the other hand. Feels strange, right? That's your brain waking up because it's forced to think differently. If you relearning already, smash that like button and let us know in the comments. I am ready to train my brain. Now here's another truth. Your surroundings shape your thinking. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Let's say you hang out with friends who complain all day, scroll mindlessly, or say things like nothing is going to happen. What happens? Your brain accepts that as normal. But if you're around dreamers, readers, doers, you'll slowly become one of them too. Let me give you a real-life example. Imagine 2 people with the same talent. One sits in a noisy room with TV blaring, phone buzzing, and people doubting them. The other sits in a peaceful space with positive mentors, reading inspiring books. Who do you think grows faster? Environment wins every time. So if your current surroundings are negative, change them. Even if it's just turning off the noise and turning on something like HopeInLines daily, that one shift will change your life. Don T. Forget to subscribe for more life-changing motivation like this, because your surroundings include the content you consume. Let's talk about the biggest enemy of growth, your comfort zone. Comfort feels safe, but it slowly kills your potential. A comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. You say, I'll start tomorrow. I don't feel ready. What if I fail? And your brain listens. It stops growing. You stop moving, and you slowly fade into average. But here's the trick. Every time you do something uncomfortable, even a little, your brain stretches, it grows, and you become unstoppable. Try waking up 30 minutes earlier. Try reading instead of scrolling. Try recording a video, even if you're shy. Each small action sends a signal to your brain. We're leveling up. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Let's now go deep into training your brain for success. Step by step. Feed it wisely. Read for 10 minutes a day. Listen to audiobooks while commuting. Your brain becomes what you hear and read. Set small daily goals. Write them. Don't just think them. Your brain takes written goals seriously. Practice focus. Use the 25-minute rule. Set a timer, put the phone away, and work deeply on one task. That habit alone can double your productivity. Reward yourself. After focus, take a walk. Play your favorite song. Give your brain a reason to enjoy growth. Take action, even when afraid. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's acting despite fear. If you're learning something right now, pause and subscribe. Because this isn't a video, it's a blueprint for your future. What if you don't know your vision yet? That's okay, most people don't. Start with 3 daily questions before bed. What made me feel alive today? What drained me? What would I do if I had no fear? Do this for 7 days and you'll start finding your true goals. Dream big, start small, but most of all, start. Your dream doesn't have to be building Tesla. It could be financial freedom, confidence, peace, health, leadership. The size of your dream doesn't matter. What matters is the size of your actions. Now let's talk about what turns an ordinary person into a leader. It's not luck, not connections, not talent. It's these 5 things. Discipline, show up every day, even when it's boring. Resilience, fail, but stand up again every single time. Clarity, know what you want and why. Belief, trust your journey, even when no one claps for you. Courage, do the hard thing anyway. Let me give you one final real story. Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, started his empire at age 65. Before that, he was rejected over 1,000 times. But he believed, he acted, and he never gave up. You don't need to be young, rich, or perfect. You just need to be consistent, focused, and hungry. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Tim Notke. Let's close with this. Right now, you're either growing or staying the same. There's no middle. Your mind is your engine. Feed it, fuel it, drive it forward, and it will take you wherever you dream to go. So here's your daily action plan. Wake up early, even 30 minutes before usual. Read something that challenges your mind. Write down your 3 goals for the day. Take 1 uncomfortable action. Reflect every night. Because success is not about magic, it's about momentum. Subscribe to HopeInLines right now if you want to build momentum daily. Comment below, I will train my brain. Share this with one friend. Be the reason they start growing too. This isn't just a video. It's a reminder that you were never ordinary. You just forgot how powerful your mind is. Wake it up, train it, and start building the life you were meant to live.